Alright guys, this is the lightning round video for the STX Surgeon 400 Lacrosse shoulder pads. Let's see if we can do this really quick, no back talk. We've got floating sternum plate, floating spine plate on the back, molded shoulder caps on the top, strategic brakes all through the front and the back of the pad to help it fit even better. You have an adjustable strap on the front with more hook and loop on it to where if you need to, you can pull that all the way across. Removable bicep pads with a simple piece of Velcro. And then on the back, like I said, even more protection and more strategic brakes for more comfort, more protection. Floating spine piece. Spin around here, we're gonna run out of time. Guys, that is the lightning round video for the STX Surgeon 400 Lacrosse shoulder pads. Boom.